Today I'm taking a look at the VEVOR Laminator. Okay, so there it is. We got a couple LEDs on there. We got power and ready. We got hot and off, and we got a release right there on the back. So nice and simple. It does come with instructions. It says that this is 120 volt, 300 watts, and at 60 hertz that'll go 340 millimeters per minute. It does come with some lamination material. So you can see it just kind of peels apart, and it's attached on the end. So let's turn it to hot. And it says it's going to take about 3 to 4 minutes for this to get hot. So this is not a sticky material. It's kind of like a static cling material. Okay, so the green light lit up, so that is ready to go. There is a lip right here. We're just going to insert it right over that lip into the slot and try to get it straight. There we go. And it goes fairly slow. Since I put 2 sheets in there, I'm going to try to hold this up just so it doesn't slide down. Normally, just do not touch it. Okay, and we are laminated. Nice and clear. So yeah, if you got an important document, you want to make sure that it's going to be preserved, this is an excellent way of doing that. So overall, that is an excellent laminating machine.